Okay, we're going to be trying to change out the fuel level sender on this 2015 Duramax. Got the new one sitting right here. First things first, need a little pick to push down on the terminal here and give her this little pull. And pops right out of there. And we'll lay it over here.
Well, Dad, if you want, I could hold your phone.
It's okay, buddy.
Alright. I'm just going to help.
Okay, well, if you can here, just try and hold it there.
Alright.
So you can see here.
Yeah, I can see it. It's okay if I stand right here?
Yeah.
Right.
Pop these tabs down here and give it a pull. Here, Daddy's just got to see. Let's see. So we just push down on these two tabs here. It comes out of there. Give it a gentle pull out of here. Okay.
Thanks, Dad.
And we get the wiring out of the loops here.
Well, you really know how to fix that up, Dad.
Okay, and then we come up here to this connector. Just a quick push and a pull. Like that. Then we can start reinstalling the new one here.
Dad, I can't really see the whole thing right there. Oh, my finger was in the way. Well, Dad, you're doing good.
Thanks, buddy. I'll just slide
You're
it
welcome,
back
Dad.
into here. Give it a firm lot of push till she clicks. There she's in. Put wiring back in here. That one. And I'll go to this side here. Pop it in. And run the connector all the way back up to the top here.
But Dad, you're doing a good job. You really know how to fix it.
Make sure she's seated in there good. Then we will run this white wire back into here. Make sure this tab is facing up.
But Dad, I like the video. Because you really know how to fix one of these.
And then give it a good push in, just like that. And that is it. Yeah, that'll take it.
Alright, Dad.
And that is the whole setup again there. Have a quick look at the sump. Well, there's some crud in there. We'll try and clean out here before we put it back in the tank. We skipped the removal of the tank here for now because I did the easy way. I got a few things to do, take the box off, but straightforward. Yeah, we will do a video of it going back in just for reference. But there's a little more to it when you have the box on and decide to drop the tank for it. Okay, so here we're going to just remove the old gasket here. Just put that off to the side. Put the new one in here. For reinstallation. Just make sure we don't bend the float up. You slowly slip it in here. Let the sump fill up and she'll drop down. Make sure we're in the between the tabs there. And then we'll grab the locking tool here for the lock ring. Slide it back over. Then get the tool to put it back on here.
Okay, Dad.
No worries. Okay, just watch out, buddy. Dad's got to twist it here. Oh, there we go. She popped back in place there. Then we just start hooking up the lines again and the connectors we undid. Start with a nice easy one. Slip it on. And this guy, this little guy here, is a little hard to get the clip off because we got this, in my opinion, upside down to do it.
Which one, Dad?
Right.
So we're starting right there.
Okay, so we're going to
Because there's up the phone.
start off with this harder one here. This, me, they got this upside down because you have to twist it around here quite violently to get this started in here. And to get it to removed in the first place.
So Dad, it's on the 26th.
Well, that's just seconds, buddy. That's 26 seconds.
Oh.
We're into the video.
Sure, Dad.
That's okay. I'm gonna flop it around. Work this clip in. There we go. Now put the bigger guy on. This one's a lot nicer. It's done the right way, I think. Just pop it in right up to the top. Then we got the over the vent line.
It's okay if you make mistakes in your video, Dad. I'm just going steady. I gotta put my puppy down.
Slip that on here.
Darn it, the Sharpie came down.
That's okay.
I'll get it after your video, Dad.
Get this on. There we go. And I'll just tighten her down. And that's about all there is to this 2015 Duramax to replace the level
Do you want me to
center.
stop it?
Yeah, you can stop it now.